What's up guys, I'm back with another video, so let's just get straight into this. So as you can see, I'm using the coil comb detangler by Kento and I'm just spraying it over her hair, after which I'm just gonna massage it into her scalp and then detangle. You want to ensure that you start from the ends and then you work your way up into the roots. Now I'm just gonna part her hair into two sections using a rat tail comb. I'm going to use a rubber band to separate the hair, or you can use a butterfly clip or a separator clip. Now I'm just going to section the back by parting it into two, depending on the desired style. So now I'm just going to start cornrowing. Guys, if you don't know how to cornrow, please watch closely. Ensure that when you're cornrowing, you stay close to the scalp. I'm just going to speed up the video so you guys can watch me work. You might notice that the cornrows look a bit different. I went off camera and fixed them. Now I'm just going to cornrow in the opposite direction. Okay, so now I'm just going to put a heart at the front of her hair. Guys, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and please subscribe. If you guys have any more video suggestions, please comment down below.